This video looks at how to use a weekly planner to manage your weekly deadlines and give you a greater sense of control over your studies. What you see here is a Word version of the planner that you can download from our website. You can also apply the same principles to online calendars too. You'll see that each day in the week is broken down into a series of half-hourly blocks. It's important to put all your productive hours on the schedule so you can see the full picture. You'll need to complete a new weekly planner for each week because each week has slightly different commitments, so 8 versions are needed for a typical 8-week term. Try to get into the habit of doing a new schedule for the upcoming week on the weekend. The first step is to enter all your study commitments. If you're not sure how many hours you're expected to dedicate to contact and non-contact hours, check your subject handbook. This is often given as a total for the term, so you may need to divide it by 8. For example, a total time commitment of 170 hours per term would be about 21 hours per week of study. Start by blocking out any fixed or scheduled university and other commitments, such as webinars and work. Next, write in your independent study time. This is when you'll engage with content and work on assignments. Try to be specific about what you'll do during these times. Map in your SMART study goals rather than simply writing study. To maximize your efficiency and effectiveness, try to schedule your study at times when your concentration is best. Are you a morning person or a night owl? Also, try to break study into short, intensive blocks rather than one lengthy session. Lastly, you should schedule time for your other personal commitments and free time activities. Again, you should break down exactly what you'll be doing during these times. So now your weekly planner is ready to use. Don't forget to put everything in here. That way you can see that you've achieved a healthy balance of work, life, and study. You can download this template from our website or the link below the video on YouTube. Good luck planning your week. For more tips and advice, go to our website.